Exploring nature reserves, a gateway to learning English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the concept of nature reserves. Whether you're a nature enthusiast or just curious about new English phrases, this video is for you. Let's dive in and learn more about these fascinating places. A nature reserve is a protected area, mainly for the purpose of preserving natural resources and wildlife. These areas are vital for conservation efforts and often become centers for research and education. In simple terms, think of a nature reserve as a safe home for plants, animals, and the environment. Nature reserves play a crucial role in protecting biodiversity. They provide a sanctuary for endangered species and help maintain ecological balance. By preserving different habitats, nature reserves also contribute to environmental research. They are not just important for animals and plants, but for humans too, as they offer a natural space for us to learn about and enjoy nature. Let's take a global tour. From the Galapagos Islands in Ecuador, known for their unique wildlife, to the Kruger National Park in South Africa, famous for the Big Five animals, nature reserves are diverse. Other notable examples include the Yellowstone National Park in the USA and the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. Each of these reserves has its own unique features and species. To help you incorporate this phrase into your English vocabulary, here are some examples. Last summer, I visited a nature reserve to observe wild birds. Nature reserves are essential for the conservation of endangered species. Our school organized a trip to a nearby nature reserve to learn about local wildlife. We hope this video has been enlightening and has given you a deeper understanding of the term, nature reserves. Remember, learning English can be as exciting as exploring the wonders of nature. Keep practicing, and don't forget to enjoy the beauty of the natural world. See you in our next video.